What happens when the human mind connects directly with code? When thought itself becomes the interface, and imagination becomes the command. For centuries, the mind has been the final frontier, the unseen world within us. But today, that frontier is opening, as technology begins to touch the fabric of consciousness itself. Neuralink and other pioneers are building bridges between neurons and machines, where electrodes can translate intention into motion, and silence into speech. A paralyzed man moves a robotic arm, not with muscle, but with thought. A woman who lost her voice speaks again through a digital echo of her brainwaves. Every neural signal is a whisper of who we are becoming. It is as if the human brain, long hidden behind the walls of biology, is finally learning to speak in the language of light and data. But this revolution is not only about healing the broken, it is about enhancing the possible. Imagine remembering every detail you've ever learned, or feeling emotions that stretch beyond the limits of human experience, or thinking alongside an artificial intelligence that grows with you. We are not just upgrading devices anymore, we are upgrading ourselves. Yet, in this new world of mind and machine, a quiet question lingers. Where does humanity end, and transhumanity begin? When the mind can upload memories, when identity can be copied, when thoughts can travel faster than speech, do we lose something? Or do we finally find what it means to be infinite? Technology, once built to serve us, now begins to merge with us. It listens to our brainwaves, it learns our fears, it completes our unfinished thoughts. And in that merging, we must choose, not just what we can become, but what we should become. Because every circuit that touches a neuron is more than science, it is a step into the soul. Beyond flesh lies a new kind of humanity, one not defined by limits, but by connection between the organic and the digital, the mortal and the eternal. The next evolution may not come from nature's design, but from our own imagination. And perhaps, that is where true humanity begins again.